Hi everyone, a very good evening. Boost is the secret of my energy, Sachin said. I am saying Boost series is the secret of your preparation. Before csir 2023 and gate 2024, we are going to start this Boost series. In this Boost series, we are going to discuss the questions from the standard textbooks. If you see the recent question papers of GATE and csir, examiner is asking conceptual questions. We generally concentrate on main products only. This is very simple question. With this simple question, I am starting this series. Actually, we concentrate on on main products, but we generally neglect byproducts. This type of byproducts might ask in the part B of your csir sometimes. So that's why I'm starting this series. Most unexpected questions we are going to discuss. For suppose if you take this reaction, so how you have to deal with this, right? If I ask you 3 byproducts are forming here, so if I ask you what are these 3 byproducts, you have to tell, right? So we will see. First of all, here alkene is there. Alkene when reacting with cold dilute KMnO4 1,2-diol. Always remember, whenever I have alkene reacting with KMnO4, always 1,2-diol will form. Always 1,2-diol will form. This is one kind of trick, but if we know the tricks, we can't go forward, right? By using only tricks, we can't go forward. So we have to know the mechanism. So I'm just taking alkene because alkene is only participating in the reaction. So I'm taking alkene here and MnO4 minus. So here MnO4 minus, double bond O, double bond O, double bond O, single bond O minus. Here manganese is in +7 oxidation state. So first step, this will attack here and this bond will come here and this will attack here, will form ring. This is the nucleophilic attack. So the first cyclic product is this. Here oxygen, manganese, oxygen, this is attached to this, and here double bond O, here single bond O minus. Here this is dilute, so water or OH minus. OH minus might attack here, this ring will open like this, and this OH minus can attack here. Alright, so after attacking, so because of small space, I'm just removing this and writing here. Okay, so next step. Next step. So we will get this one, and this is oxygen, manganese, this O minus, take H plus from water. So here OH, right? And here double bond O, and here O minus, OH minus attack. So here OH. Okay, this is the next step. So after this, and again I'm just removing this, opening this ring, and this O minus come back, right? So next one we will get diol, OH diol plus Mn OH double bond O, single bond O minus, right? Sorry, double bond O, right? HMnO3, this will form. This is the byproduct here. So 1,2-diol is forming like this. This is the mechanism of 1,2-diol. This is the first step. So in the first step, I'm getting this, right? Like this. Here OH, here CH2OH. Okay. Next, sodium periodate, Na plus IO4 minus. So here IO4 minus is there. Double bond O, double bond O, double bond O, single bond O minus, IO4 minus. Now this lone pair will attack this iodine here like this. This is the mechanism. So in this mechanism, what happens? So we will get this one here, oxygen H, so it is getting positive charge, and this is attached to iodine, and here single bond O minus, double bond O, single bond O minus, double bond O, and here CH2OH. Acha. So now what happens? This minus, take this H plus like this. Okay. So I'm just removing this hydrogen and putting hydrogen here and removing this positive charge. Next step, in the same way, this lone pair now attacking this iodine. Again, this will move like this. Okay. Okay. Right. So next step is next step is like this, and this is O, iodine, OH, double bond O, single bond O minus, here single bond O minus, and this oxygen, hydrogen, positive charge, this is attached to this. Now again, this minus, take this H plus, acha, and positive charge remove, and here OH. Now observe clearly, observe clearly. So here I am just breaking this bond, and here getting positive charge, so this bond will break like this. So what happens? Ketone will form, this product will form. So the first step is ketone. So the first one is ketone is formed. Acha. If you observe here, two hydrogens are there. Two hydrogens are there. So I'm just moving, breaking this. This is breaking like this, and after that, after breaking this, this will break like this, right? Because getting positive charge here, so this will break like this. If you observe, this part is HCHO, two hydrogens, double bond O. So HCHO, so formaldehyde is forming ketone. So the first one is formaldehyde. So this is formaldehyde. Okay. So this part is okay. This part is okay. I'm just removing this. Okay. Now I have this part. So on one atom, two hydroxide groups is not stable because of repulsions. So what happened? Water is removing. H, OH. Water is removing. So next byproduct is water. Next byproduct is water. Okay. So here double bond O. Here double bond O. So double bond O, single bond O minus. IO3 minus, Na plus is there. So Na is here. So NaIO3. So next product is NaIO3. NaIO3. So the three products are formaldehyde, HCO, HHO, water, NaIO3. So this is how you have to do this type of questions. Okay. So this type of questions might ask in the exam. Remember, thank you so much.